Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear the buzzing from that stupid light over there that I need to pull out, but... So, this is the box for the SVS Ultra Bookshelves. I think these might be new as well. We'll see. I'm gonna see if... I have a couple specs on here. Features! So they sent these out as well, SVS, thank you for sending these out. Couple features, this is the piano gloss black, not the piano oak wood veneer. So a couple of features of that, of the bookshelves themselves, are the 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter. It's got a 6.5-inch woofer, and the nominal impedance is 8 ohm and the minimum impedance is 3 ohm, which is good. It does recommend a power of 20 to 150 watts, and it is rated for 45 hertz all the way up to 32 kilohertz. That's pretty high in terms of not being able to hear it as a human, so this might bug my dog. But yeah, let's open this guy up and see how beautiful it is. Or they are, I guess what you would say. Alrighty, so I've been wanting to hear an SVS product for quite a while. The reason being is because I've been trying to want to update my home theater system, and I've always looked at SVS and I'm like, oh man, I want SVS. Here's a grill, very nice. Again guys, come on man, it's 2020. We have magnets. This is not magnets, these have little pegs. More information and stuff. Another grill, which we'll probably put these grills on, being that I have children. Pull this guy out again. Such a good choice for foam. Super soft cell foam. Love it. And the 2 speakers. And the gigantic silica packets. Wow, these are actually pretty heavy. See? Gigantic silica packet. So, we'll do this out of the way. And not fully, because these dudes are heavy. Heavy mothers. So we have tape on the bottom. I want to fully rip the bags. That's something I want to do right now. Very nice to them. And then they come in this, the initial outside, it's this plastic bag. Then it has this nice cloth covering on the inside as well. Being that these are the gloss fingerprint magnets that they are. So, wow, that's a gorgeous speaker. Look at that. Super shiny, super fingerprint magnety. Look at that tweeter. Amazing looking. Wow. So these go for $500 a speaker. You get each. You can either buy them in a pair or a single if you want. Pretty cool. And that woofer too. Very nice. Very nice. And the binding posts on the back. Little baby port back there. So with this, again, SVS, man. Just get some magnets on there. Jump into the 20th century. Just kidding. Yeah, gorgeous speaker. Again, fingerprint magnet to the max. But yeah, looks amazing. I'm gonna put these in the home theater right now. And see how they sound over the next couple months. Awesome. Again, SVS, thank you for sending these for review. And I hope I love them. One thing I did want to check, see if they came with rubber feet. I might put the rubber feet on them, maybe. Maybe we'll put the rubber feet on them. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, just some paperwork, little rubber feet that they come with. Come with 8? Oh, it does. Okay, cool. Alrighty. And they talk about all their cables and stuff, although I make my own cables, so. Alright guys, that is the unboxing of the SVS Ultra Bookshelves. I will see you in the next one, and that'll be very soon. Have a good rest of your night, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.